It's Crusoe. We're doing a second coat of the shower. I've been away for a couple of hours, I think, but it's all, I've had the fans on. It's all pretty good. So we'll just zap it in, and then I'll go and get the sand and cement and glue and that sort of thing for tomorrow. And we'll zap these tiles down on the floor tomorrow. One process, screed and lay. Easy, easy, easy peasy. I'm a tiler of 35 years. I'm professional. If you would subscribe to my channel, and you can learn, I'll teach you everything I know. Brilliant. Get up under there. Leave nothing. Look at that. Oh, I like it. I'll turn the camera off in a minute, and I'll see you in the morning. I'll be here at 8 o'clock. I'll see you in the morning, and we'll get set up and we'll wet bed these tiles. Wet bedding has been done for hundreds of years. Hundreds of years. It doesn't get done much now because the young fellas have never been taught. But when you're wet bed, you've got no chance of dust getting on your floor, because when you go to stick down your tiles, you've caused dust. Well, you never get that with when you're wet bedding. You never get that. "25 years ago, yeah, it'd be about 25, I was a contractor on the Versace Hotel here on the Gold Coast. and all the marble there is wet bedded. And being a Versace hotel, well, it's all pretty fancy, but yeah, all wet bedded. I was lucky enough to work on that. Alright, well, I'll turn this sucker off. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day.